Thank you, Ms. Abigail Arce, for that wonderful presentation. Once again, I'm Janice Manarang and I will be discussing the Earth's orbital changes. Now, you may be wondering why the Earth's orbital changes can cause climate change. As we all know, climate change is caused by various human and natural factors such as deforestation, greenhouse gases, burning of fossil fuels, to mention a few. Changes in the Earth's orbit around the Sun, as well as the changes in its tilt and wobble of the Earth's axis, can cause the Earth's climate to cool or warm. This is because they alter the amount of energy our planet gets from the Sun. The three shifts in the Earth's orbit around the Sun are eccentricity, axial tilt, and precession, also referred to as the Milankovitch cycles. The Milankovitch cycles, or the Milankovitch theory, is proposed by Serbian astrophysicist Milutin Milankovitch. The Milankovitch cycles include eccentricity. This refers to the shape of the Earth's orbit, obliquity, the angle at which the Earth's axis is tilted, and lastly, precession, the movement of the Earth's axis of rotation. You can see in the screen, this is the change in eccentricity or orbital shape. The orbit of the Earth around the Sun is an ellipse, but it is not always the same shape. The shape of the orbit shifts from a circular to a more elliptical one on a 100,000-year cycle. This is brought on by the gravitational pull of the other planets on our solar system. Our climate warms as the Earth gets closer to the Sun. This also influences the length of the seasons. On the screen are the changes in obliquity and axial precession. Obliquity refers to the tilt of the Earth's axis. Over the course of 41,000 years, this angle shifts from 22.1 degrees to 24.5 degrees and back again. Greater tilt indicates warmer summers and cooler winters. Less tilt indicates cooler summers and milder winters. Changes in the tilt of the Earth can cause slight but significant climatic changes in the strength of the seasons. Axial precession. Precession, also known as the wobble of the Earth's axis, impacts the Earth's orbit where the northern and southern hemisphere experience summer and winter. Precession occurs on a roughly 26,000-year cycle. According to Milankovich's theory, these three cycles interact to influence the amount of solar heat that reaches the Earth's surface, which in turn influences climatic patterns including glacial periods, or commonly referred to as ice ages. The time span between these changes can be tens of thousands of years. About 12,000 years ago, the last ice age came to an end. The new cooling cycle could begin in 30,000 years. However, orbital shifts occur so gradually that they take thousands of years to become apparent. These changes are slow and steady, but even the slightest change can make a big impact on our planet. Though the Earth's orbital changes can cause climate change, it is not to blame for the rapid warming of the Earth over the last century. Once again, I'm Janice Manarang, and thank you for listening. May I now call on Ms. Angeline Bartolome for the next part of the presentation.